can see here we have ordered a type C connector, and in this type C, as you can see, at one end we have type C cable. You can connect this to your type C port, whether if it is in the laptop or if it is in the mobile, and you can take the output as HDMI, VGA, as well as audio. And another side, you can see you have USB 3 option. Also you have another type 3 port. Now this is easy to use, and you can easily connect this if you have a mobile which can act as a desktop CPU. You can use this adapter and convert the mobile video output into a computer monitor screen through VGA adapter. So it's easy to use, and the build quality is really good. It looks like it's a complete metal, and hence it is quite sturdy, and it will last for long, and hardly it will have any complaints. I guess it's a good product. All of you should try this. Thank you.